Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on applying color filters on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, select Color Filters. Here, enable the toggle to turn color filters on. Once you've done that, you can select which color filter you want to use. As you click on one, it will instantly apply to your screen. You can come back here to turn the color filter off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.